Hi, thank you for joining me for Maker Kit number 3, and today we are going to make a cup tower. Now this is a very open-ended kit, and meaning that you can do whatever you like with it. If you want to put all the cups together in one straight line, or turn them like this, or you want to see how high you can stack them this way. It's really up to you what you can do and your imagination. But this is an engineering challenge. So if you'd like to do the challenge the way it was meant to be done, take your cups like this. Place craft sticks between them. Then you can decide what formation you want them to be in. What kind of tower do you want to make? It's really up to you how you want to put them together. And then it's all about balance. See how well you can balance your cups and your craft sticks to make a tower. And there's really no wrong way to do this, as long as they don't fall down. And if they do, that's okay. You can keep working on it until you get it just right. These are very lightweight cups, so this is not an easy challenge. But it can be a lot of fun if you can do it. You can see even Miss Val has some trouble getting these just right. But when I was a kid, I loved to balance things. In fact, when I went to church on Sundays, I balanced my hymnal on the back of the pew until I got it just right every time, and it stayed there all on its own while I looked at it and sang. That was one of my favorite things to do. There we go, I got those. Now I'm going to put another stick between them. And I'm going to balance these here. And I bet you can do even better than Miss Val and make a tower that stands up all by itself without the pieces falling. Let's see if I can do better while you work on yours. So this time I'm going to make mine closer together, because what this challenge is really about is getting you to think about structures. What kinds of structures are stronger than others? What kinds of structures are easier to balance than others? If you can find the right type of structure, then you can have a much easier time balancing than you would on one that's not so well built. Look at that. I'm going to try this one more time, and look at that. It stood up all by itself now. I wonder how hard it would be to make it knock over. What if a big breeze came along? What if another big breeze came along? Could it be strong enough for that? Obviously not. So if this were one of the houses that the 3 little pigs built, the wolf would be able to blow it down. You could also make, instead of a tower or house, you could make a bridge. And see whether you could send your cars across it, or your toy trucks, or your toy trains, or maybe just line your cups up on the bridge. You can also turn them this way in the middle so they would fit better. And then let's see if this would work. Look at that. It did. There are all kinds of possibilities, endless possibilities for this activity, and I would love to see what you come up with. So show me your pictures or videos by commenting on this thread or sending them to Miss Val's email. And I hope that you will join me next time for another maker kit. Thank you. Bye.